Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get a web browser that supports Chrome extensions in Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as UniqueTutorials. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Click on continue. You can enable the block ads and trackers. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on start browsing. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So here at the right bottom you will see here three dot icons. Just click on it and just click on this icon and just click on this install extensions. Now on the above search box you can search any Chrome extension directly from here, and after that you can click on this install to install the Chrome extensions. Click on OK. So finally you can see we are able to install the Chrome extensions on this UniqueTutorials web browser, and let us check if this extension is really gonna work or not. So let me try to open some websites. So I have opened two different websites. So now just click on this three dot icons and click on this icon again. Now let me check if this install extensions really works on this web browser or not. Let me click on this copy all URLs. Now click on this copy. Now it's saying copy it to clipboard. Let me check if it is really copied to my clipboard or not. So you can clearly see it actually works. It has copied both the URL links on my clipboard. And so by using this cool application named as UniqueTutorials, you can easily get a web browser that supports all Chrome extensions in Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.